going to be looking at purines. Purine synthesis is done by three ways. You have Denovo synthesis, you have the salvage pathway, and you have the deoxyribonucleotide formation, and then you have purine breakdown. So let's take a look at purine Denovo synthesis. Right, it looks very busy, but trust me, it's very easy. So basically you have ribose 5-phosphate, which becomes PRPP. Then PRPP becomes PRA, which is 5-phosphoribosylamine. Okay, ribose 5-phosphate becomes PRPP by using PRPP synthetase, and then PRPP is converted to 5-PRA, which is phosphoribosylamine, by using PRPP aminotransferase, and you are going to be using a glutamine, and the glutamine gives it an amine group and it becomes glutamate. Now your 5-PRA becomes IMP, right? The IMP is like a major product, and then IMP will give you AMP and GMP. IMP is converted to adenylosuccinate by using adenylosuccinate synthetase, and then IMP dehydrogenase converts IMP into ZMP, which is xanthosine monophosphate. Now your adenylosuccinate, so let's see, IMP is converted to adenylosuccinate and it becomes AMP, and then IMP is converted to ZMP, which is converted to GMP using GMP synthetase. So it's actually really easy. Let's take a look again. Ribose 5-phosphate, PRPP, 5-phosphoribosylamine, which is converted to 5-PRA, which is converted to IMP, which is converted into adenylosuccinate, and ZMP, and then AMP, and then GMP. Okay, so after 5-PRA is converted to IMP after about 9 steps. And we will take a look at the AMPs and etc. later on. So purine ring is made in the liver, and the components of the purine ring are amino acids, carbon dioxide, and N,10-formyl tetrahydrofolate, and the amino acids are GAG, glycine, aspartate, and glutamate. What are the enzymes what are the amino acids in the purine ring? GAG, which is glycine, aspartate, and glutamine. Now the activators of your Denovo synthesis are pi and PRPP, and your inhibitors are purine nucleotides, and AMP and GMP, mycophenolic acid, sulfonamides, and methotrexate.